model, 2017 VAUXHALL MOVANO 35L3 diesel front-wheel drive 2.3 CDTI H1 chassis cab 125 PS body, white, Luton, box with tail lift in good working order. Mileage, 137416 MOT, the 30th of March 2024 engine, 2299 cc 2.3125 PS E5J transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfects, engine sounds all good, gearbox is good. Clutch needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or